Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for coming to Fort Bragg today. I am Colonel Daniel J.W. King, spokesman for U.S. Army Forces Command, and I will provide you with a statement with regard to the Army's investigation of Sergeant Robert Bowe Bergdahl's 2009 disappearance in Afghanistan. Due to the specific and legal nature of the information I'm about to provide, I am unable to take your questions, but our staff here will provide you with a copy of this statement and points of contact to address your questions at the conclusion of this statement. Our statement follows. The U.S. Army Forces Command has thoroughly reviewed the Army's investigation surrounding Sergeant Robert Bowe Bergdahl's 2009 disappearance in Afghanistan and formally charged Sergeant Bergdahl under the Armed Forces Uniform Code of Military Justice on March 25, 2015, with desertion with intent to shirk important or hazardous duty and misbehavior before the enemy by endangering the safety of a command, unit, or place, and has referred the case to an Article 32 preliminary hearing. Again, Sergeant Bergdahl is charged under the Uniform Code of Military Justice with one count of Article 85, desertion with intent to shirk important or hazardous duty, and one count of Article 99, misbehavior before the enemy by endangering the safety of a command, unit, or place. As you recall, Sergeant Bergdahl disappeared June 30, 2009 from Combat Outpost Meslalak in Paktika Province, Afghanistan, and was subsequently captured. Regarding next steps, an Article 32 preliminary hearing is a legal procedure under the Uniform Code of Military Justice designed to determine whether there is sufficient evidence to merit a court-martial and is required before a case can be tried by a general court-martial. Legal experts often compare an Article 32 preliminary hearing to a civilian grand jury inquiry. The Article 32 hearing will take place at Fort Sam Houston, Texas. Specific scheduling details and procedures for news media coverage of the hearing will be announced at a later date. Following the Article 32 preliminary hearing and receipt of the Article 32 preliminary hearing officer's recommendations, the report will be forwarded to a general court-martial convening authority, who may refer the case to a general court-martial, refer the charges to a special court-martial, dismiss the charges, or take any other action deemed appropriate. There are potential punishments associated with the two charges. Article 85 of the Uniform Code of Military Justice, desertion with intention to shirk important or hazardous duty, carries a maximum potential punishment of a dishonorable discharge, reduction to the rank of E1, total forfeiture of all pay and allowances, and a maximum confinement of 5 years. Article 99 of the Uniform Code of Military Justice, misbehavior before the enemy by endangering the safety of a command, unit, or place, carries a maximum potential penalty of a dishonorable discharge, reduction to the rank of E1, total forfeiture of all pay and allowances, and possible confinement for life. The specific legal elements associated with Article 85 and Article 99 are available within the written statement provided to you here today. Forces Command officials associated with this legal case cannot discuss or disclose the findings of the 2014 investigation while legal actions are pending out of respect for the judicial process, the rights of the accused, and to ensure the proceedings' fairness and impartiality. The Army's 2014 investigation into the circumstances of the soldier's 2009 disappearance and capture in Afghanistan is currently being treated as potential evidence in the pending Article 32 preliminary hearing. This concludes our statement. Thank you.